What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. I will show you how we caught this movement to the downside with precise price target of roughly $16.7. And then I will continue with the fundamental news. I will show you their results of the Q2 2022, and I have to say that these results are quite good in my opinion. Then at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we should hold or we should break this range of support, and if this range will be broken, we should see lower volume than we had previously. And as you can see, we broke this range of support with the lower volume that we had previously. And in this case, I've told you that most likely we should see a bounce from this sloping line. It is the lower end, lower border of this channel, and this channel is a bullish flag. Usually these patterns break to the upside, and that's why we have to see a movement to the upside that probably will retest the upper resistance. On top of that, we have a very good confluence with the golden pocket range. Let me show you more thoroughly. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we completed all 5 wave structure, and make this scale longer, as you can see, with this movement to the downside, we hit exactly the golden pocket range, and this range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal. And because of this confluence, definitely we had very good possibilities to see at least a bounce, and we have it. And in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect next and how we can catch the next movement. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, definitely the most important news is their earnings report. And as you can see, they missed their earnings by 19%, and they beaten expectations in revenue by 5.35%. And let me show you these numbers in details. So, quarterly total revenues reached $1,536.6 million, so basically $1.5 billion. And the quarterly deliveries were 25,059 vehicles. And definitely we can see an increase in their sales, but we have decrease in their revenue. And definitely supply chain issues, COVID lockdowns, and the overall increase in cost of deliveries and of raw materials reduces the margin of each and every vehicle, and this reduces the gross profit and the gross margin as well. That's why the overall results of this company is not so impressive, but I have to say that we have very good guidance in my opinion, and let me show you what did Mr. Lee say. And he said, we delivered 25,059 vehicles in the second quarter of 2022, representing a growth of 14.4% year-over-year, despite the COVID-19 related challenges. With the team's concerted efforts, our deliveries started to recover and achieved 10,052 vehicles and 10,677 units in July and August respectively, said William bin Lee, founder, chairman and chief executive officer of NIO. The second half of 2022 is a critical period for NIO to scale up the production and delivery of multiple new products. The ES7, our first mid-range 5-seater smart electric SUV based on NIO Technology 2.0, has become a new favorite of the market with its superior performance, comfort and digital experience. We witnessed a robust order inflow for the ES7 and started its deliveries at scale in August. We also look forward to starting the mass production and delivery of the ET5 in late September. With the compelling product portfolio and well-established brand awareness, NIO will attract a broader user base and embrace robust growth in the coming quarters, concluded Mr. Lee. And I have to say that all the problems that this company faced back in the days with the COVID-19 restrictions, in my opinion, for now, are not so important. The latest and one of the most important things that NVIDIA was banned to deliver their chips to NIO, and that's why Probably it might affect the overall production rates of NIO. But let me show you some details that Mr. William Lee said in the earnings call. The question was, will the ban of deliveries NVIDIA chips to NIO be crucial for the NIO itself? And let me show you what did Mr. Lee say. Regarding the US shipment related with the AI training chipset, we believe that this will not have an impact on our business operations. Based on offer estimations, our computing power is sufficient for our autonomous driving technology in the aspect of the AI training for now, and we have been working very closely with our partner NVIDIA. At the same time, we have been monitoring the situation very closely. We understand there are also many AI chipsets type companies in China who are working on the mass production of their data chipset. So we are evaluating a different kind of technical solutions for these AI training chipsets, and we would like to work with different companies on this respect. Basically, we believe that this is not going to affect our long-term strategy. On top of that, he said, we are building of our core technology and capabilities, including the chipset, and we believe our target is to build the full stack in-house capabilities in all those key core technologies. Definitely, this statement is a key statement for this company, because with any restrictions that we have on a greater scale all over the world, definitely all in-house capabilities of NIO will give them a lot of competitive advantages. That's why, in my opinion, the long-term perspective for this company is quite good. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we hit the confluence in between two ranges. First of all, this range of support as the lowest border of this channel, and the golden pocket pattern. And because of this, we have increasing volume with this movement to the upside, and definitely this implies a very good setup. So if you want to catch the trade, basically to catch the next movement to the upside, that probably might hit this sloping line, the upper resistance of this channel, or probably we might even break this, and in this case we might have these previous tops as the ranges of resistance. So if you want to catch this trade, just accumulate on the way down, and your stop loss should be slightly below this bottom. And in this case, the downside potential, depending on your entry price, might be up to 7%, but the upside potential might be from 15% all the way up, depending on the range where we might land, all the way up to, let's say, 33%. And this setup is rather good for the short-term traders, and if you want to invest in this asset, this point is also very interesting, because let me show you on a daily time frame. This asset had a very good movement to the upside from its lowest point on May 11th, and because of this we didn't break this range of support, this lowest point, and so far so good. We are establishing higher lows, and if this asset breaks this range of resistance, it will establish a higher highs. And in this case, if the volume will be much higher than it has previously, definitely it will be a major movement to the upside with the huge upside potential. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.